Hello everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making something that I like very much. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich may or may not make your day, but it certainly makes mine. What I'm going to do is take you through a step-by-step explanation on how you make one. Now if you don't know how to make one, you really need to learn, and that's why I'm making this video, for all of those people who have not had the privilege of eating one of these. Let's get into it, shall we? So first, what we need is some bread. Now what I have here is some Publix Premium Honey Wheat bread. I like this very much. It's nice, and it has a nice texture and doesn't get very stale very easily. So just 2 pieces will be good for you. First, what we'll do is on this slice, we'll get the peanut butter. Now what I have here is some Peanut Delight creamy peanut butter. I like creamy, I prefer it over crunchy, but whatever you choose will be whatever you choose. So what we're going to do, we're going to take off the lid, use a butter knife and scoop out a portion of peanut butter. We're going to smooth it over the bread. It doesn't have to be neat. After all, this is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm no artist, but this is looking like a pretty good piece of art. So whatever we have excess, we're going to be putting back into the jar, just like that. Once we've put on a considerable amount, just enough to where you can't see the bread, we're going to move on to the jelly. Now this is muscadine jelly. I like jelly that isn't too runny and isn't too hard. This jelly is an even mixture of both. See how it nicely smooths over? But it doesn't soak into the bread, so the bread stays nice and firm while you're eating your sandwich. So just smooth it over like this with any simple spoon will do, like so. Just put it back. Take your 2 pieces and put them together like so. Now what you have to do is enjoy. Nice. Thank you, and have a good day.